Okay, ready?
Mickey, are you ready? Oh, sorry.
Pay attention, okay? Hey, shh, camera's on.
Oh,
Okay, over there. What is that? What is that? You see that? Listen, stop. Okay, got the last ornament up?
Yeah.
Good deal. Need a hand? Hey everybody, welcome back to Why Wait. Today we wanted to talk to you about Christmas in the RV. A lot of people seem to get intimidated by this and have issues with it, I guess.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of questions about how do I decorate the RV? It's a small space, what do you use? Yeah. Where do you get your things? Where do you store your things? So we're gonna explain how we do it.
Yeah, a couple tips and tricks on what we do. It's really not that difficult. Hey, Christmas is where the family's at. It doesn't matter if you have a 20-foot tall tree and
Dad, that thing wouldn't fit in our yard.
Not going in our yard, Russ. It's going in our living room.
It doesn't take much to make it feel cozy and nice, I think, for the holidays. Yeah. And so we're going to just point out a few things that we do, and hopefully this helps some of you guys out.
All right, so probably the most common question I see is, where do you put your tree?
Bend over and I'll show you.
Yeah.
What size tree do you use? We've tried a couple different things.
We have. Previously, when we first started out, we had like a little, 2-3 foot tree. And just one of those little small ones, and we put it right on top of a box, put a little sheet over the box, and that worked out fine until we kind of came across...
tried it in a couple different places too.
Yeah, we had, you have to move it around a couple places, sometimes set it on the table, but those little trees work, and I think I find that these small, skinny, almost like what they call like pencil Christmas trees work. Mm-hmm. And I think we got this one from...
This one's from Hobby Lobby.
Hobby
Lobby.
Was
letter K. If that means anything to the people who use.
Yeah, I have a box, so I'll have a picture of the box in case anybody wants to try to find this exact one. But it works great, and I think you see this style a lot. Mm-hmm. And actually, you see them put in this corner, and you style fifth wheels a lot too. And in the corner, the living room, and the fifth wheel. If you have one style like this, the rear living, it seems to work out great. But it's lightweight. It's not huge. It's like 5 feet tall. Mm-hmm. And I'll have some links down below to some of the stuff we talk about today, including some of the trees, but you can really go on Amazon and find some of these. But it doesn't have to be a massive tree, and the box that they store in is actually pretty small, and you can travel with it. Mm-hmm. And speaking of traveling, some stuff that we do is, if we know we're going to be on the road for a few months, we try to just take like the decorations of the holidays that we know are coming up, and we'll leave everything else in storage if you do have a storage unit. Yeah,
which, since we are kind of laying down some roots in a particular area, we did go ahead and get a storage unit, and that has helped so much to get some stuff out of the camper that we aren't going to be using for another 10, 11 months. There's no reason to have it in the camper if you don't have to. Yeah, we've just been kind of rotating out decorations right now, but when we're on the road, we try to limit it to like one of those plastic bins, one plastic tote per holiday, I guess, one Halloween bin and a Thanksgiving bin. That seems to work out pretty good. We store them down in our front compartment. If you guys have a generator, we don't. We store them in that area. We have some bungee straps, and that's a good place to put them. And again, we try to keep things lightweight. And so if you want to do that, some decorations are good from the Dollar Tree.
The
stuff is lightweight, and if you are okay with it, you can toss the stuff that,
Yeah. If you don't like it, or if it just breaks, because obviously it costs $1, you don't feel too bad about it.
Yeah.
And you can just get some new stuff the next year. Or if you just don't want to travel with it because you can't store it, or you don't want the weight or issues, you don't feel too bad about just kind of using it and tossing it, almost like party supplies. That's kind of the way I look at it, you know? You can get a lot of stuff for $1 at Dollar Tree. You can make it look cozy. Mm-hmm. And again, if you don't want to store it, you don't really feel too bad if you just kind of get some new stuff the next year. Yeah. But we have a whole Christmas village that Corbin loves to set up, and it's pretty cute.
And he always wants to get something new for it every year. Yeah,
we always get some new houses, some new guys. You can get it all from the Dollar Tree, and it's cute, and it's cozy, and it's, again, lightweight, small. Mm-hmm. And if they break, well, we're not heartbroken over it because it cost $1. Yeah. So it's just a good tip that we use on some stuff. Now, everything that you see in here is not from the dollar store. Some things are, some things aren't. But you just have to kind of fit it to your RV. I think no matter what size RV it is, you can find a way to make it cozy.
Yeah, you can make it just as Christmassy as you want, or, be very minimal with it too. It's obviously totally up to you.
Yeah. And another great tip for decorations and to make it feel cozy is pillows, holiday pillows. And getting different pillows for all the different seasons, but that would take up a lot of space. You can't be storing tons of pillows,
every
right?
pillow, if I could.
Yes. So we like to use
Pillow covers.
pillow covers. Yeah.
I have found them at Hobby Lobby, Walmart,
Amazon.
on Amazon,
Yeah, some we got on
anywhere.
Amazon.
And you
We'll have some
kind of
links for those below too from
Yeah.
the pillow covers. Yeah.
just take your basic pillow that you use every day, and basically the cover is,
Yeah.
I'll just use this as an example, but the cover just matches it in size, and you just tuck your everyday pillows right inside of it, zip it up.
We
and
have
you're done.
2 blue pillows that we usually keep on the couch, and for every holiday they get Thanksgiving covers, Christmas covers, holiday covers. So it's a great way to save space, but always have, change the seasons and just make it comfy and cozy. So yeah, pillow covers, it's kind of nice.
Some of the decorations, I'm kind of a craftaholic, so I do make some of our decorations, our garlands, and for whatever holidays, wreaths, table centerpieces and stuff like that. And again, I can you can go as inexpensive or expensive as you want. So if you make stuff that you don't want to carry with you, kind of a good gift. You want to
it's a
gift
great
it to
way
someone.
to save money making your own decorations too. And we'll put a link down to her Etsy shop too, because she does have tons of holiday wreaths and military wreaths and things like that. So, but that's another way we kind of decorate, is actually using stuff that she makes herself, or things that Corbin makes too.
Yes.
Little
or
boy.
things that our older kids made that we embarrass them with now.
So that's another one. And then as far as hanging everything around the camper goes, we pretty much use the different style command hooks for most of the decorations. Just the little plastic command hooks are great for hanging stockings and lightweight things around the RV. Everything always seems to hold. And they also work great on the outside of the RV. So when I'm putting lights up on the RV, I like to just use the little outside command hooks. They stick to the camper, they don't damage it, they come right off, and they seem to hold through the season and do a great job. Yeah, so.
Yeah. If used correctly, they tend to hold up pretty well. Every once in a while we'll get something that falls off the wall or something like that, but they usually have been on there for a while. So
not too often. Clean the spot really good.
Yeah.
Push it on there for the recommended time. Wait before you hang any weight on it. Dehumidifiers. Keep the humidity down, because obviously if you have humidity, walls can get wet even just a little bit, and that's going to cause those command hooks to fall off. So. That, and another thing for outside, inflatables. Inflatables are actually pretty lightweight, and they're pretty small to move around the store, and they
can be.
When they
Some
blow
of them are
up,
really
they
huge.
look really big, and they're very dramatic. So it's a big decoration that actually doesn't take up a lot of storage space or weight. So inflatables are good too for the outside aspect of decorating. I hope these tips and just little tricks kind of help you guys out if this is your first year new to RV life, or full-time in RVing, or even just maybe going out for a weekend of Christmas camping. You can still decorate and keep it lightweight, keep it easy, keep it inexpensive. Doesn't have to be intimidating. It's not a hard thing.
No.
Yeah. Enjoy the holidays. Decorate as you will. Fit your spot. Whatever you got to do.
Keep you in the Christmas spirit or holiday spirit, whatever holiday it is you're trying to decorate for.
The good thing is, with a small camper, it doesn't take much to make it feel cozy. Yeah, and that's what you're going for. So, we hope this helps you out, and you guys have a Merry Christmas, and we will see you next time. And until then, get out there, search full-time RV adventure. Because
why wait?
why wait? See you guys.